Hello guys, in this video we are going to fix the boot. If your system is running very slow and the boot time is very slow, then this is the video for you. Make sure you watch the whole video and trust me, the boot time will be way better than earlier. So let's get started. So at the left hand side, do you see the start icon? Just do a right click on that and go to task manager, and here look for startup. Now here make sure all the unwanted applications should be disabled, and how we can disable it by just doing a right click and either enable or disable. So leave the unwanted Microsoft applications like graphics and everything, security, do not disable these, but whatever you see, the applications which should not be at the startup, you can simply do a right click and disable. Now disabling the program from here doesn't mean that you will not be able to use the program. You will be able to use it, however it will not be at the startup. Once this is done, we just have to close this and do a right click on the start icon and click on run, and here type clean mgr. You can pause the video and type clean mgr and hit OK. The moment you do it, a new window will appear, and make sure you do the all check marks. This is a disk cleanup. It will delete all the junks, all kinds of cache, unwanted things which should not be there in your computer, and it's the junk created by the system whenever we accessing the applications. So we do not require it. We just have to make sure all the check mark is done, and we just have to click on OK. So it will clean all the junks from your computer. Now trust me, once you do this and restart the computer, your computer performance will be way better than earlier. And let's say if it doesn't, if it's slow, then you can scan for the virus. And how you can do that, open any of the browser and open google.com and search for Malwarebytes. You will get the results malwarebytes.com. Click on that first link, the malwarebytes.com, and once it is opened, you need to download a free software. It is a well-known application, well-known virus removal application, which you can install it free. Remove the virus, scan for the viruses and remove it, restart the computer and uninstall Malwarebytes. If you want to keep it, then you can absolutely keep it, but if you want to remove it, you can. So once this is done, let me know in the comment section if you have any kind of issues. I'll try my best to fix your problem. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.